सिंह फ्रॉम मनु लीगल एंड एसोसिएट्स। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज की जो अभी ट्रेंड कर रही है, दैट इज व्हाट्सएप प्राइवेसी पॉलिसीज in association with laws, like what laws will be impacted and what laws will be regulated or what laws will regulate these privacy policies by WhatsApp. Okay, let's start now. So friends, whenever we get up in the morning, what we do is that first we just check our WhatsApp, and 2-3 days ago what we saw on our WhatsApp status is that WhatsApp is changing its privacy policy. There we just had two options, just to agree on that particular policies, or I should say privacy policies, or they may click on not now. We did not have any option to discard or to not to agree on those particular privacy policies. Okay, so let me tell you or let me introduce you first with what those privacy policies included. Now those privacy policies under WhatsApp, those policies were about that how WhatsApp will take our data, or how the organization, the third party WhatsApp will use our data to make us view the ads on its on a company, that is Facebook. As we all know that Facebook has acquired WhatsApp, that Facebook has purchased the company WhatsApp. Now the company WhatsApp is going to give our data to the particular Facebook. Now what we have to do is that if we are agreeing on the privacy policy button, that yes, we agree and we accept all the privacy policies of WhatsApp. Now in that case, what will happen is that whenever we are going to talk or when we are going to chat or WhatsApp that yes, I want to purchase a laptop, then that particular word laptop will be taken by WhatsApp and it will be given to Facebook, and whenever we scroll down or whenever we see anything on Facebook, we will get an ads of laptops beside the Facebook screen. Like whenever you are watching any news or any video or Facebook, you will get an ad of laptop, that particular laptop which you are talking to your friend or your parents. Now this is the privacy breach. Like for example, I am talking to my parents and I don't want that particular talk or that particular chat to be read by any other person. But according to this new privacy policy introduced by WhatsApp, what they are doing is that they are taking that particular chat, or I should say that particular word. It may be laptop, it may be pen, it may be anything. It may be anniversary gift, it may be birthday party, it may be booking any resort, it may be anything. So whenever you are doing any chat or when you are doing any communication with WhatsApp, then it is not allowed, or I should say it is not ethically allowed to WhatsApp to use that particular data which we are talking to our parents or any other friend over WhatsApp, because it is our personal communication. But on these privacy policies, if we agree on that particular button, or if we press that particular button, then we agree and we give permission to WhatsApp to use our chats or to filter our chats to use that particular words, so that the WhatsApp can give that particular data to Facebook, and Facebook can use that particular data for giving or providing ads over Facebook. Now in this particular thing, what can happen is that, or what may protect you is that, it is section 43 of Information Technology Act of 2000. Now section 43 of Information Technology Act provides that whenever a third party is using your data with your permission or without your permission, and that particular data hampers you or causes you any damage, then in that particular case you may file any civil or criminal case against the particular third company. Now here the third company is WhatsApp. Like for example, two persons are communicating with each other. Now the third party is WhatsApp, that is watching or that is capturing our data. So if the third party does any thing with our data or with our chats, and that particular chat hampers us or cause any damage, then in that particular case we may file any civil suit, or we may file any criminal case against a particular company. Now another legal aspect here is that this privacy policy is also breaching our fundamental rights. That is Article 21 provided with the Constitution of India, which talks about right to life and personal liberty. Now, a particular company is breaching out that particular right, which is being mentioned under Justice K.S. Puttaswamy case versus Union of India, where Honorable Supreme Court of India talked about right to privacy and made that particular right as a fundamental right. Now, this particular change in the privacy policy of WhatsApp, and they are giving us a time that till 8th of February, what you have to do is that either you have to accept these privacy policies or you have to stop using their app. So, whenever जब ये आया इस तरह का माहौल बना एक तरीके का, then the people in India, they started criticizing this particular policy because it is directly hampering and breaching their privacy. Okay, so after that, after this hype, what did WhatsApp did? WhatsApp did is that they did not change their privacy policy. What they do is that they extended the date till 3 months. Like for example, that the new date is 15th of May. Now, till 15th of May, what you can do is that you may either accept that yes, I'm agreeing that my data can be tracked or can be managed by WhatsApp, or not now. There are two buttons on that particular window. Now, whenever you're clicking not now, then you're not agreeing like not now, but you have to agree it in further future times. Okay. Now, what can protect you is that the only thing, the only institution which can protect you from this particular privacy policy guidelines by WhatsApp is Government of India. Like the Government of India can do, what can the Government of India can do is that it can pose an guideline or rules and regulations over WhatsApp that if you want to operate your app in India, then you have to follow these particular guidelines which will be suitable to the citizen of India. Only the government can do this types of things, because there is no specified law in India that or which talks about the privacy policies. Like for example, if WhatsApp is giving us this particular example of privacy policy, like they will take our location, etc. That is acceptable. Like for example, let me give you an example. If you are sharing a contact with another friend over WhatsApp, then WhatsApp will take that particular contact and store that particular contact in its data. Then only it will be able to transfer that particular contact to your friend. Second example is location. If you are sending your location to someone else, that yes, I am standing here at this particular time, then WhatsApp will store the data, then only it can work. But without your permission, if WhatsApp is tracking your location and tracking all your contacts and tracking all your chats, that is the main thing which WhatsApp is taking permission of, because the whole market is of marketing. You are using the app WhatsApp and Facebook free of cost. So we are not using these apps free of cost. We are their customers. What they will do is that the WhatsApp in association with Facebook, they will create a market in front of us by using these data or chats. Okay, so this is the main thing which WhatsApp wants us to accept, that yes, we are giving the permission to access our data or access our chats or access our contacts, location, phone number, IMEI number, the DP or status, everything. They will detect these status or data from WhatsApp, and they will provide you the advertisement over Facebook based on your chats and etc. Okay, so that is the main thing which the WhatsApp wants us to accept or agree. That's it for today. We will come forward with another news like this. Thank you so much.